This is 4K 60. Um, Let me find my earbuds. I pulled an all-nighter last night. I did not get any sleep. So you remember all that snow that we had, right? It's all gone. Excuse me. I thought it was all gone. I thought it was all gone. Let me just clean my camera right now. Like, I tried my best to go to sleep. It just did not work. So we have a fucking blizzard now. Yeah. But I mean, all the snow's gone from the ground, but now we have a blizzard. What the fuck, weather? Make up your fucking mind. Like, sure. Anyways, I'm gonna go downstairs, have something to eat, make a coffee, make an e-fuck. It's actually called e-fuck. And then, charge my phone. And take my meds. And then... Huh? Hi. Hi. Hi, Kinky. Hey. Hi, Kinko. Hi. She's a good little puppy. So yeah, I'm gonna go. And yeah. Alright. Peace.